Hello, my name is Colin Kemp in DC, and this is how to use the Active Rest antidote. What you do is you find a flat, stable surface, and you slide the device to your tailbone, slowly lie back on it, and find your groove. Now this is important that you find the groove of the device is in your upper neck and that your head is gently resting back on the device. Now you take your shoulders, go back and down, and let them stretch like so. And you have the option of repositioning the hips and getting more or less tension on your low back. The other thing that's important is when your feet are closer to your body, it's easier on your low back, it's less of a stretch. However, the farther you go away, the more of a stretch pulls on your entire system. And you bring your legs all the way out, it provides the most amount of stretch. I do not recommend this right away, that's advanced. But start like this for 3 to 5 minutes, one time the first day, not more than twice a day. And I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you.